Yet another edition of the Penn Relays has come and gone. Again, a plethora of Jamaican athletes and coaches made the annual trek over to the University of Pennsylvania for this annual Relay Carnival. And again, the issue arises, what value do the Penn Relays bring to these Jamaican schools? Outside of the fun for the athletes and the coaches, the chance to travel and meet up with their friends and family. Remember now, Jamaican athletes don't need pens to get scholarships or professional contracts anymore. Going to the Penn Relays is no more of a cost than a benefit for Jamaican schools. And speaking of cost, the University of Pennsylvania, which organizes the event, makes millions of US dollars off its annual staging. How much do they contribute or reward the Jamaican schools and their supporters who fill up the stadium every single year? Nothing, I understand. So outside of the vacation of it, Penn Relays is really and truly a watered down version of Boys and Girls Champs, exported and staged for the droves of Jamaicans in the diaspora. Yes. The argument over.